forward, and as my hands are just about to touch, no fingers involved, I arm screw. The one arm that is screwing is taking the majority of the impact, but the second, you'll notice this one is padding about a half second later, just to help guide me. And I come back. If that's comfortable, at the same time you fall forward, launch your legs backwards. And now there's even more impact, as if you're falling or being swept or tripping. You're in that position. And then I'm ready. So up here. And I'm ready. If that's already comfortable, then you just throw your legs out of the way. Huh?